Bird still in the apartment. All right. My NCIS jacket. Let's see if I can't catch a bird. The answer's obviously no, and there's way too much stuff here to... You missed it, but it just flew right by the door. I know what you're thinking. If you put down the damn phone, you could get rid of the bird. Alright. So the plan is to stand here and direct the bird with the coat out the door. It's a waiting game. Obviously the bird is smarter than I am. However, I might be playing this up a little bit for comedic effect. You may never quite know. Get her! That's what's going through my mind right now. Son of a bitch, the door's open. What started this was in the laundry room, and I was laying down and heard this awful ruckus. And then suddenly, there's a bird. Oh, great. The bird just went behind the refrigerator. I really hope you guys are enjoying this, because actually I am too. But alright, bird. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right back there. Hopefully I actually catch it on video when it finally flies out. There's the door. There's where the bird went. All right. So this is what I've done. So hopefully, when the bird comes flying back through, I can go direct him out the door. Chances are he's just going to fly right over my head. But I need something to wrestle out the bird. Hence a shoe. Come on, bird. Come on. Stupid bird. Well, not stupid birdies. Yeah, I'm going to throw this thing of Mentos. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, the bird has officially knocked the battery out of the smoke detector. My Mentos have gone all over the floor. I regret that decision. Notice. Thought maybe he was going to come by. I really could use another person here, but I'm all by myself. This is definitely one of those things I'm not going to be showing Jess, though chances are I probably will. God damn it! And there's the bird still outsmarting me. There's the bird sitting on top of an Enterprise. Poor captain. That's my attempt to mimic the bird. Obviously, I do not speak of a bird. There's the bird on my potato chips. Luckily that's not on. We could have toasted bird. Son of a bitches. As you saw, alright, fuck this shit. I'm gonna have to wash this now. And my net idea fell through horribly. Come on. Oh, son of a bitch. Wait for the sequel where this is recreated by a pug. I really don't want to hurt the bird. I'm afraid if I throw the blanket on it, it's going to hit it and here's the door. It could be gone, but it's not. It's not a dog. Guess I'm gonna have to try this again. Of course, I better watch what I say, or I'll never actually. Come on. Oh shit, it's right there. Oh, son of a bitch. It was right there. You saw it. Well, maybe you didn't, because I don't know which way the camera was pointing. Right now I'm trying to put up a barrier so that the next time it comes towards the door that maybe it'll fly out the door. And I'm sorry that the camera's getting thrown around right now, but I need my other hand. First time I've ever said that in a video. Alright, so I've set some sort of barrier up. The bird's right there. Chances are it's going to go right above it because I can't reach that high. We shall see. Sit. And why? Where's Robert Muldoon when I need them? Clever girl. My heating bill is going to be outrageous. But everyone's going to laugh their ass off at least. There's my Mentos. This is getting to the point where I'm not actually ever going to show anybody this video. It's getting ridiculous. So I think now, since the bird isn't causing too much damage, I'm just going to kind of slowly bother it, cause it to move. Actually, I'm going to turn off the lights, see what happens. Because it seems to be going towards the light source. And now there's only one light source. And that's this one. Fortunately, at this point, you won't be able to see what's going on. I'm sorry. I kind of hear it over here.